Guys, today we're going to start out with tying our hair back. I'm going to put my headband on to make sure that none of my makeup gets on my wig. I'm going to start out with spraying my face down with this peach mist from Too Faced. It's a mattifying primer and setter, and I am very oily, so we got to make sure none of this makeup slips. Taking my angled brush, my dip brown pomade by Anastasia Beverly Hills in dark brown, I'm going to start outlining my eyebrows. I usually start from the bottom up, and I just follow the natural arch of my eyebrow and just fill in where I see any bald spots or any problem areas. Okay guys, now that I'm done filling in my eyebrows, I just flip my little brush around and use a spoolie in to blend it all out. All right, so we're gonna finish up these brows and we're gonna do my favorite part, which is carving them out. So I'm gonna grab my staple, my Maybelline Fit Me 355 Coconut Concealer, and also my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color True Beige. I'll also go ahead and grab my Age Rewind concealer. It's a little ratty, but it still gets the job done. I'm going to start off with my base because we want these colors to pop. We are not playing games for Pride. I repeat, this is not a game. This is not a drill. These colors got to be seen from across the field. So I'm also going to take my other concealers, my Fit Me, my Maybelline Fit Me, and also my Pro Conceal, and start cleaning up my eyebrows. I told y'all this is not a game. So I'm going to go ahead and take my True Beige Pro Conceal and just pat it into my eyes. Because again, I want these colors to be seen from across the field. I want to show my pride on my face. So I'm going to go ahead and dip into my James Charles palette. All right, guys. So after tons of changes, I have finally decided on what colors I wanted to do. I don't remember the names, but I will gladly show y'all with a little diagram. So look out for the rainbow on the palette because it'll tell you exactly what I'm using. All right, so the first color y'all see me layering on there is this light blue color in this James Charles palette. What I'm going to go ahead and do, I'm just going to go ahead and just pack it on my eyes and then just blend it out almost to the point where it gets to my eyebrows. Like I told you, this is not a game. They got to see me from across the field. And in my crease, I'm going to put this dark blue color just to add a little bit more depth to my eyes. Alright guys, so now I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color True Beige, and I'm going to go ahead and just outline my cut crease. Now I'm not going to do a full cut crease today, I'm just going to do like a lazy one. Alright, now that I have my cut crease outlined, I'm going to go ahead and add the last piece of my eye look. I'm going to go ahead and pat on this metallic shimmer. I believe it's a shimmer. This metallic blue color from this James Charles palette right here on my concealer. And then on the outer corners of my cut crease, I'm just going to blend that in with that dark color that y'all saw previously. Now, I did my eyeliner off camera because I needed to have my mirror up close to my face, but I went with a dramatic cat eye today. And so I'm just taking my concealer, my LA Girl Pro, you already know the deal, and I'm just cleaning up my eyeliner a little bit because if you have shaky hands like me, you're going to make mistakes. All right, we're getting up close and more personal. So I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro concealer and, my Maybelline Fit Me concealer and cover up my dark marks and my problem areas. I'm going to blend that out with my Real Techniques sponge. But before I beat my face, I will go ahead and spray it down again with my mattifying primer setting spray. I don't know if y'all can see this, but this is the Fenty foundation in the color 420. And I'm gonna go ahead and squirt that on my face and start beating it. Yes, queen. I don't know why, but blue eyes seem to be my go-to whenever I'm trying to be very dramatic. I don't know, it just looks really good on the contrast of my skin. But while I was at Pride, I got a shit ton of compliments, and go big or go home, guys. Like, dead ass, go big or go home. All right, so we're gonna keep it up with the cake face, and I'm gonna add a little bit more foundation to my neck area so that way it doesn't look like I have a mask on. I'm gonna go ahead and add some concealer to my under eye area, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the combo Maybelline Fit Me and the Pro LA Girl Conceal, and I'm gonna go ahead and just blend that out. Now, you can't be beat to the gods without a good baking session. So I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty Hazelnut Loose Powder, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this to my under eye area where I just did my concealer. Now I'm going to put some of this powder in my smile line area, and I'm also going to put it on my chin and also in my T-zone because we get oily. Now after this, I'm going to go ahead and contour with my Black Radiance True Complexion palette. I'm going to take this sculpting powder in the middle, the one that looks worn down and raggedy, and I'm just going to put this on my little contour brush and just chisel out these cheeks and make it seem like I haven't eaten in weeks. We're gonna have to be extra today. I'm talking about we're getting chin, we're getting cheeks, forehead, nose, under the lip. I mean, this is cake face beyond cake face. I told you we're gonna chisel those cheeks. So we're gonna take some of that loose powder on our sponge. There's my best friend, oh my god, love you. And on that sponge, and we're gonna go ahead and chisel out these cheeks, and again make it seem like we haven't eaten in weeks, because this is Pride, this is not a game, this is not a drill. Extra as fuck for every reason. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I did the rest of my makeup off of camera because again I had to stay focused and the mirror was to my face, but I put on my big boofy eyelashes and I used my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick. I believe it's the color taupe, I'm not quite sure on that one, and I don't have it on me. And this is my look for Pride. Thank you so much for watching again, and I appreciate it. Oh, almost forgot. Best part. I used the Moonchild Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I added that blue color to my brow bone and also my highlight, and it is gorgeous. Thanks again, guys, for watching, and happy Pride Day.